Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today, we're gonna be working on the baked ham and cheese ring, and this recipe is from Tasty's Ultimate Cookbook. So let's get started. The first thing that you're gonna do is preheat the oven to 375. For the baked ham and cheese ring, I'll quickly put in the ingredients for this recipe right here. Okay, so starting off, you're gonna make this ring on a baking sheet, and the first thing it says to do is to line this baking sheet with parchment paper. Here's our parchment paper. Just lining it, making sure that it covers all the edges and our ring won't stick to the sheet. All right, the next step is to take your canned dough and roll out these pre-cut triangles. Okay, so once you have all your crescent rolls laid out in a starburst fashion, you're gonna lay in this order. We're gonna start with mozzarella cheese. The next thing you're gonna do is half a cup of pepperoni. And I don't really have pepperoni, so I'm using banana peppers. But I'm pretty sure like any pickled type of pepper would probably work for this. So it's up to your preference. Next, it mentions basil, but I don't have basil, so we're gonna use some baby spinach and arugula to add. Next is salami, so 6 ounces of salami. Next is 6 ounces of ham. Next is the prosciutto. And last is 8 ounces of deli-style provolone. I'm going to use Munster in this recipe, but pretty sure any deli-style cut cheese is probably fine. So it's more about your preference. And season with salt and pepper. And some pepper. Next it says to fold itself in. Okay, then bake until the dough is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbling for about 30 minutes. Okay, so after 30 minutes in the oven at 375 degrees, I took it out, I removed it from the baking sheet. I'll cut a piece and I'll show you what it looks like. Pretty good. Thanks for watching.